Welcome to the future of buying pre-construction.
Wow.
Don't buy pre-construction just off of floor plans. Have a virtual walkthrough before construction even begins. With our cutting-edge technology and the help of a VR headset, you can walk through different floor plans and experience the true scale of the space, the view from the unit, and so much more. When you walk in the unit, this is the main entrance. You're gonna be coming up, you've got 3 bedrooms. Prefer to view from home? We offer hyper-realistic online virtual tours of units that have yet to be built. Be the first to see it in 3D. With our co-viewing feature, we can walk through the unit together and we will be there to answer any questions in real time. The traditional way to purchase pre-construction was through floor plans. We just changed the game. If you're thinking of buying pre-construction, we are your unfair advantage.